All right, y'all, let's get straight to it, man. I know I haven't uploaded a video in over 10 days. I was supposed to do the course launch video and give y'all like a play-by-play. But, man, my whole birthday week, I ain't gonna lie, I had to sober up. It took me a minute to get back, back into the flow of things. Now I'm back ready, back promoting. As you can see, today so far, I'm at $487.20. Yesterday, $288. Oh yeah, just 288 flat, and so far for the month, 2,800. It is June 10th, 2025. Let's refresh the screen right here. So a couple minutes went by. It's 8:07 now. Let me refresh the screen so you know it's legit. 492. So we just went $5 in the last 2 minutes, which is cool. All right, this is what I'm gonna do too. For me kind of going ghost this last week, just trying to sober up and things like that, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Whoever can guess the closest or the exact number to how much money I make at the end of today will get a free copy of the 7-figure affiliate course. So yeah, just leave a comment down below as to what you think I'm gonna make by the end of today. It's like I said, it's 8:08 right now. You got 4 hours to come up with a prediction. It's gonna take me probably like five minutes to edit the video, 5 more minutes to upload it. Whoop de whoop. But yeah, so you got about three to 4 hours. Whoever is closest will get free. I'm gonna probably do that every day just to make up for going ghost these last 10 days. Because anybody that drink a lot knows like liquor will put you down for days at a time. So it just took me a minute to get back right. But if you already brought the course, you will still have access to the course, the new videos and all that stuff. Once it's uploaded, you good. I just had to snap out of it real quick and get back to work. Let me refresh the screen one more time. 492, that's the members area. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos so far. Got the members group. On Facebook, trying to see if I'm missing anything. But yeah, if I'm missing anything or you got any questions, let me know down below. I just had to get this video out here, let y'all know I am alive and well, and the course is back rolling. So I know I didn't do the launch week sale because I was supposed to release the course on my birthday, but I'm doing it now. So for the next 7 days, you get access to this course for only $50. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below, and I will see y'all in the next video.